Z7 here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Check this one out. 2015 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe 3LT with the Z51 package. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, one owner vehicle, actual miles, just a little over 10,000 is all. 6.2 liter underneath the hood. That's paired up with an 8-speed automatic with paddle shift. Of course, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. Give you a good look at the front fascia. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, so you'll be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay, take a look at the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. We have 19-inch wheels in the front, and these are the black machined aluminum wheels. 20-inch in the rear. And with those still pictures I just mentioned, you're also going to be able to see the window sticker, so you can see exactly how this Vette is equipped with the optional equipment and the standard equipment with the 3LT preferred package. Up and down this passenger side, you can see not full of nicks, dings, or scratches. Paint's in great condition. Looks like it's wet. Of course, leather bucket seats, center console, mode select. We'll get around to the driver's side, take a little closer look at that. I do have the transparent top taken out and put in the rear of it. So this one did come with a removable transparent roof panel. That would be an option. Painted calipers. And again, check out that window sticker. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. And once again, uniqueclassiccars.com. Check out all the still pics. If you like Corvettes in general, maybe just C7s, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. You can purchase those online or right off our showroom floor if you make it to see us in person. And you can see driver's side looks just as good as the passenger side. And remember, clean Carfax indicating one owner, just a little over 10,000 miles is all in this one. I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to pause this 1 second. I got to grab the key fob for it so we can check out the miles, start it up, let's hear it run. We're going to take a peek underneath the hood and then stick around to the very end of this video. Jason will take it for a test drive. Door panel, nice shape. And of course, your modern amenities, power windows, locks, memory seating, Bose stereo system. We're going to have power driver seat over here, suede inserts. Steering wheel control, heads-up display, 3LT package is loaded, folks. There's no doubt about that. 10,207 is what the odometer is showing right now. You can see that right there. Let's fire it up. Again, 8-speed automatic transmission with tap shift. Battery was slightly low from us doing the pictures, having the doors open and all of that. We'll throw it on a trickle charger, not a problem. No check engine lights, service engine lights, anything like that. Oil change, little heads up there. And we have not had this through our service department. It went straight to the picture area since it was so clean. Dash looks good. Infotainment system. Of course, you're going to have heated seats and the ventilated seats both sides on this one. Listen to that exhaust. Not only does it look good, it sounds good. No doubt about that. Let's take a peek underneath this hood. Hood liner nice and clean. This car has not been driven in inclement weather. That's obvious. There it is. 6.2 liter. Nice clean engine bay. I want to peek from the passenger side, slip over here. I remember Z51 package. Window stickers in with the still pictures. Stick around a little longer. Jason will take it for a drive. 2015 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe 3LT Z51. We're going to get it back through our service department. Put it on a trickle charger. This one's ready to go, folks. Call us 507-386-1726 or neatclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we need assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 2015 Chevrolet Corvette C7, one of my favorite Corvettes. I have a see-through target top over my head. This is an automatic right here on the center console, so it's easy for anybody to drive. Just don't put your foot down too fast or you might slide that back end over. It is in sport mode, and that's why she's a little snappy and fun right now. Digital speedometer. We have a temperature gauge showing approximately 160. On the left there's also a needle speedometer. If you prefer, you have that as well. Tachometer right in the middle, working as it should. The fuel gauge is showing a little less than half a tank. Oil PSI is about 40. We have an excellent stereo system. And an excellent song to test it out with. Corner, of course, is lots of fun because Corvette's corner amazing. Nice and flat. What can I say? It's a C7, it's a 2015, it's bright red. It's a beautiful, fun car to drive. Take a look at all the pictures and learn about this car at uniqueclassiccars.com.